You hear the puppies?
Yes.
Well, what are we doing out here?
How's your sheep hiding?
We are
Yes.
in the middle of the field.
Mm.
Do you like it? Is it fun?
Mm.
Can we say cheers?
Cheers.
Here. Okay, let's cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. We make the best tea parties. It's lots of fun, huh?
What's that sound making noise?
What was that sound making noise? I don't know. You like your sandwich? Mommy sent some good bread, didn't she?
Ah.
You like your apples?
Uh-huh.
Where'd Bubba go? Is Bubba here with us? Where's Bubba?
He was there.
He's behind me, huh? So hi, Bubba.
Hi, Papa.
Can you hear the other dogs barking? You think people are wondering what we're doing? I don't care. Do you care? I'm having fun with you.
No.
No, you're not having fun? I love you, baby. Think it's gonna rain on us? No way, huh? You need a napkin? No? You just want to get messy and have fun? You're a little doll, baby. Bubba, come here. Come and lay down. Come over here, Bubba. Come over here, honey. It's okay. Say hi, Bubba. Say hi, Bubba. Hi, old man. Hi, old man. Can you say we're just sitting out here on O'Connor, huh, Kimmy? We're just sitting out in the middle of the street, right? Hey, Mama, we're just right in the middle of the street. See the cars?
That was mine.
Please?
Please?
You want more tea, please?
Cheese.
Cheese. Have some tea.
Tea. Tea.
Oops! Black cherry water. It's the best. That's okay. We'll change you when you get home. It's okay. Say bye to the camera. Say bye to the camera. Hello, little girl.
Hello, camera.
Say bye, camera.
Hello.
Can you say bye now? Can you say bye?
That was mine.
You need to eat. You need to eat some food.